Hello everyone, welcome to our today's Monday's digital marketing update session. In this video, I am going to cover what are the changes happened in the last 1 week in our digital marketing world. So let's begin with our first update of this week. Now, the first update of the week is pretty interesting. And it is very important for us because today page experience has become one of the vital and critical factor for SEO. So this week the first update we have is Google is launching a new version of Page Speed Insights. Now let me explain you, if you are not aware, the purpose of this Page Speed Insights tool is to understand the factors of Core Web Vitals, to understand how to improve your website speed. What are the factors we have to improve in the speed. Now in the previous version of Page Speed Insights, some of the issues were the in-separation of the data between the field data and web data, as well as other data was also a little bit complicated to understand and review in the search speed tool, Page Insights tool. So here Page Speed is going to be updated with more clarity and more information, more changes with the previous version, wherein we can more exclusively see the field data, which is the last 28 days data, and the lab data, which is basically the present data, and we can able to analyze and see more clearly about the Core Web Vital features and updates. Apart from that, we will also have certain specific details related to the page speed analytical data, so we can improve the pages speed as well as the Core Web Vitals factor. So this would be a very good update for us as we move in future, because which will help us to understand more data in a very better way. So this is very good update for us. Now the next update. Now, as we know that one of the biggest challenge for most SEOs across the world is understanding the updates which come from Google. And in the month of November, that's on November 3rd, Google have updated and actually launched one update, which is Google November 2000, that is spam update. Google have rolled out a November spam update. Now more details have not given regarding this update, but I would like to explain you what is the impact, what are the websites which are most probably going to get affected with this update. Now according to the news released by one of the spokesperson of Google, wherein he explained in a Twitter about all the details, where some of the factors are related to the spammy. Now you see, spammy websites, Google have many definition of spammy website. For example, a website which is created to fool people into believing that this website is related to some other company, that is phishing, that is also kind of spam. If your website is created with duplicate content or low quality content, that is also spam. But nowadays the biggest problem with spam is hacked websites. So this particular update is going to punish the websites which are basically having spammy content or duplicated content, as well as the content where it is consisting of virus or it is consisting of malicious software installs, etc. So those kind of websites are going to be hit with this particular update. So if you have a very big decline after November 3rd, I would recommend you to please check your web Google Search Console and see, do you see a very big decline? And if it is there is a most probability, the more probability is that you have been hit with this particular spam update. So you have to be careful with this particular update. And in coming days, more details we get and more case studies if we get in online, I will also create another separate video for this update as well, and how to recognize and how to see the different aspect of this particular update. But this is an update, so you have to be careful. If you are having a decline, please review the purpose, reason why the decline happened and how it may affect your website. This is a very important update for SEOs. Next update is Google have changed the name of Google My Business to Google Business Profile. Alright, and basically they have added some new features to it, which is basically claiming your business profile directly on search and maps, as well as managing all our GMB details directly from search and maps as well. And I'm sure that they will be adding more and more features to it, and they have changed the name, and as well as they're integrating some other features which can be easy for user point of view to manage on search and maps. So let's wait and see what further details we can get from this update. And this is going to be a very big update. If you remember, in June of this year, Google have released the page experience update, and it was related to mobile phones, right? Mobiles, which is basically the idea was to reward those websites which perform, which give a good page experience, and punish the websites which do not give a good page experience, which is basically a combination of core web vitals and mobile usability, as well as our HTTPS factors and other factors. So here Google is very soon, it's most probably according to the report, by next year they are going to release Google page experience algorithm update coming to desktop, which means the factors which were affecting, with the factors which were getting impacted on the mobile devices, the same thing is going to be updated for desktop as well. And I'm sure that this can be a great game changer, because you have seen so many websites in mobile, they will be okay, but in desktop they have so many banners coming from left, right, top, bottom. After a few seconds a pop-up will come in front of our face, right? So this kind of things I have seen a lot of websites have this kind of approach, but in mobile they are okay. So when this update will come, I'm sure that because they have to improve the core web vitals, which is again the three factors, the LCP and the FID and the CLS, so definitely it will have an impact, and we will be seeing more streamlined and more easily loaded pages in our the desktop versions as well. So we will wait and watch how this will impact and how it will have an effect, but Google have released that by next year they will roll out this page experience update on desktop as well. Now next update is this is actually not really an update, it's just information. If you are aware that Google Dissolve tool, if you are having some spammy backlinks and you are afraid that they may affect your website, you will update your Dissolve tool. So question is, if we update our Dissolve tool, in how many days it will start reflecting? So one person asked a question that he explained that as soon as I updated my Dissolve file, our ranking improved. So John Mueller have explained that it may be for other factors also, but Dissolve file will not have that kind of immediate effect or immediate impact, because the changes Google have defined that they will do incremental changes in the Dissolve, which is slowly they are going to review the details, and slowly they are going to impact the results based on the Dissolve file by excluding the links you have mentioned. It's not like an immediate effect you are going to see when you get updating your Dissolve file. So this is it was also in a common knowledge, but this has been very much clear by this particular office hours was done by John Mueller. One person asked a question regarding this. This is the update. I hope you are clear with this week's update. Thank you very much, and you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And if you are looking for a Hindi version of the video, please click on the I icon on the top. You will see the Hindi version video as well. Thank you very much.